Casement windows are known for their sleek appearance, tight seal, and ability to maximize ventilation. When installed correctly, they provide excellent comfort and long-term performance. However, even high-quality casement windows can underperform if installation is rushed or handled improperly. For homeowners in Washington, understanding common installation mistakes and how to avoid them can protect both comfort and investment. Mistake number 1. Incorrect measurements. One of the most common installation errors begins before the window even arrives: improper measurements. Casement windows must fit precisely within the opening to function correctly. In Washington homes, inaccurate measurements can lead to gaps, uneven framing, or difficulty opening and closing the window. To avoid this, professional measurement and careful assessment of the window opening are essential before installation begins. Mistake number 2. Improper leveling and squaring. Casement windows rely on hinges and hardware to operate smoothly. If the frame isn't level and square, the window may bind, stick, or fail to seal properly. In Washington residences, improper leveling can also cause uneven wear on hardware over time. Ensuring the frame is perfectly aligned during installation helps prevent operational problems and extends the window's lifespan. Mistake number 3. Inadequate sealing around the frame. Casement windows are designed to close tightly, creating an energy-efficient seal. However, if the space between the frame and wall isn't properly sealed, drafts and moisture can enter. Washington homeowners should ensure installers use proper sealing techniques around the perimeter of the window. A secure seal protects indoor comfort and helps prevent long-term damage. Mistake number 4. Poor moisture management. Windows are exposed to weather and require proper flashing and water management systems. Failing to direct water away from the window can lead to leaks or hidden moisture issues. In Washington homes, professional installers should apply proper flashing and ensure water is channeled safely away from the structure. This step is critical for protecting both the window and surrounding materials. Mistake number 5. Over-tightening fasteners. Fasteners secure the window in place, but over-tightening them can warp the frame or affect how the window operates. Casement windows in Washington homes should be secured firmly but without unnecessary pressure. Balanced installation keeps the frame stable while allowing smooth hinge movement. Mistake number 6. Neglecting hardware adjustment. Casement windows use crank systems and locking mechanisms that require fine-tuning during installation. If hardware isn't properly adjusted, Washington homeowners may notice difficulty locking or opening the window. Professional installation includes testing and adjusting hardware to ensure optimal performance. Mistake number 7. Skipping final operation testing. Some installation mistakes only become noticeable after the window is fully installed. In Washington homes, installers should test the window multiple times, opening, closing, and locking it, to confirm smooth operation and proper sealing. Skipping this step can leave hidden issues unresolved. How to avoid these mistakes? The most effective way to avoid installation mistakes is to work with experienced professionals who understand both casement window design and local home construction. Washington homeowners should choose installers who prioritize precision, proper sealing, and thorough testing. Clear communication and attention to detail make a significant difference in long-term performance. Protecting your investment. Casement windows are a valuable home upgrade, but their performance depends heavily on proper installation. For homeowners in Washington, avoiding common casement window installation mistakes ensures long-lasting comfort, reliable operation, and protection against drafts and moisture. By choosing skilled professionals and prioritizing careful installation, you can enjoy the full benefits of your casement windows for years to come.